Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refer friends and get free stocks up to $200 on Robinhood. So if you're looking for an easy way to earn some extra money, this video is for you. Let's get started. Open the Robinhood app on your smartphone. If you don't already have the app, you can download it for free from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Once you have the app open, look for the account icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. It should be a circle with your profile picture or initials in it. Tap on it to access your account settings. Scroll down until you see the free stocks option in the menu. Tap on it to access the referral program. In the referral program section, scroll down until you see your unique referral link. You can share this link with your friends via social media, email, or text message. If your friend signs up for Robinhood through your unique referral link and completes the process of opening their account, both you and your friend will receive a free stock up to $200. The best part is that the more people you invite and encourage to do the same, the more fantastic free stocks you and your friends will receive. So spread the word, invite your loved ones, and start earning those amazing rewards together. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.